Alexandra with WTI. This is the Joyjoz baby musical mat. Now, we just ordered this recently because we were going on a trip and we wanted something lightweight that would travel well. And this is really perfect because as you see, it just folds up into this tiny, lightweight little thing and you can travel really easily with it. So it just takes 3 of your AA batteries in the back, and you just flip this little switch here to turn it on. So you can see the level of sound that it has, and it's got all these cute little animal sounds here at the top, and also the musical sounds here at the bottom. So this has been super fun for my daughter to play with. She crawls around on it, steps on it, and all the things. She really loves it. We really enjoyed this product, and that's our point of view.